Guys, when you publish your video, that's not the end of the work. This is where the work starts. Okay, only publishing your video and leaving it like that will not help you. Okay, because there are some things you need to set, there are some things you need to put, there are some things you need to turn on and off, so that YouTube will push out this your video to large people, to large audience, so that people will get to see this your video. Okay, so in today's video I want to share with you guys, I want to practicalize with you guys some things you need to put on, some settings you need to set, to turn on, to turn off, things you need to do after you must have published your video. Please make sure you do this immediately you published your video, so that it will help YouTube to push out your video, so that a lot of people will get to see it, so that you get subscribers and watch hour. Okay, so come, let me show you how to do this. So guys, we'll be making use of this video. This video has gotten 12,100 and something views. So all you need to do after you must have posted your video, after you must have uploaded your video, is open it, click on the video. You'll be going to studio.youtube.com. okay, that's where you'll be going to. So when you go to your studio.youtube.com, click on the video you just uploaded. Okay, then click on the title, which is this one. You click on the title. Okay, if you don't like the title of the video, and write your title. Some people will put hashtags. Do not put hashtags on your title if it's not short. Okay, you put hashtags in the description. Okay, so after you are done writing your title, please make sure you put the keywords. If you know that thing that people are searching, you can make research. Make sure you put it in the title. Okay, so when you are done with the title, go to description. Okay, when you go to description, make sure your first, second, third sentences contains the keywords. Okay, make sure it contains the keywords. Here you write what your video is all about, and make sure you use the keywords. Okay, when you are done writing, you can include your channel link, like please subscribe. You will include your channel link. Okay, so you can also ask people to watch your other videos. Anything you want to write, you include it in the description. Okay, so when you are done, don't forget to put 3 hashtags, like 3 hashtags that people are searching. Okay, these are the 3 hashtags I put in this video. Dying well syrup, how to gain weight with dying well, how to gain weight. Okay, these are what people are searching. That's why this video got a lot of views, because it has keywords. Okay, it has keywords. So you put 3 hashtags that people are searching for, which are these are the hashtags. Okay, so when you are done with the hashtags, you go up. This is where you create your playlist. Okay, if you don't have a playlist already, you will click on new playlist. Okay, you will click on it here, you will click here, new playlist. You see it, you click here, new playlist here, and you create a new playlist. But if you have a playlist already, like this one, I've selected weight gain, you will click done. Okay, so here you choose that the video is not made for kids. You put here no, it is not made for kids. Do not put your videos that it is made for kids. If you put it, you will not have comments, and your videos will not be shown to adults. It will be directed to kids. You'll not get enough views unless your video is made for kids. Okay, so when you are done, click this. You click this show more. Okay, let me bring it. You click this show more. When you are done writing this, you click show more. So here, if your video contains paid promotions, sponsored videos, you can include. But if it doesn't, just leave it and go straight to hashtag. So this is where you're going to put your hashtags. You are to put 500 words, but it's not once you're going to put 500 words, though my own is almost 500. My own is 499. So yeah, you put hashtags, and make sure you put hashtags that people are searching. Okay, like here, this is dying well for fast weight gain, dying well syrup for weight gain, put what people are searching for, so that when people search, your video will be among the videos that YouTube recommend to them, and also so that YouTube will push out your videos and recommend your videos to them. Okay, so if you want, like here I put video location, which is Nigeria, because someone can also locate your video through the video location. Okay, but it's not necessary, it's optional. If you want, you put; if you don't want, you leave. So here this is where you, this category, this is where you will have to choose. You will click on it and choose what your video is all about. Okay, like I choose how to and style. That's what I choose. So you click on it. If your video is not about how to, if it's education video, you can put; if it's comedy video, you can put entertainment. Anything is all about, you put. Okay, but when you teach on YouTube, like when your video is all about teaching, is how to and style. Okay, you click it. Don't forget to turn your comments on so that people will engage, people will comment. Okay, if you like, you can click, you can turn on, if you like, you can turn on, if you like, you can turn on for it to show how many viewers like the video. Well, if you don't like, you can leave. So you are not done. The next thing you need to do is to go to this. You're going to go to, if you want, you click on these subtitles. Okay, this is, if you click on this subtitle here, if you click on this subtitle and include it, this is going to write what you are saying in the videos. Okay, this is going to write what you are saying in the video. When you click on it, don't forget to check it, because sometimes the spellings may not be correct, so you just correct it. Okay, so after you add, but it's optional. Okay, if you don't want to put it, this subtitle, there is no problem. So after you are done with it, the next thing you need to click on is this end screen. Okay, you click on it. So if you click on it, it is going to open. So when it opens, this is where you will have to choose. Okay, you choose, let me shift it back so that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is where you have to choose. If you click on this element, you choose videos from video playlist, anything. If you want to add, subscribe to your video, anything you want to add, this is where. If you want to choose one video, you can choose one video. If you don't want one video, you want two, like I choose two. Okay, this is where you put your already existing videos that you've made already, you include them. Okay, this will help. After someone watch this video, YouTube is going to suggest the other videos you included. Okay, so when you are done, you click save. Okay, when you are done, you click save. So the next thing you need to do is to go to these cards. You will click on these cards. If you click on these cards, it is going to show you something like this. Then you will click this plus sign here, this plus sign here. If you click on it, it is going to show you video, playlist, channel, and all those things. You will click on video. When you click on video, it is going to open and you will see a lot of your videos. You will select, for instance, now let's choose this. If I choose this, it is going to come. This is where you see those black things you see, like with the title of someone's video that shows on their screen. Okay, so when you are done, you shift it to the next one and also click the plus side. If you click the plus side, it is also going to show you, but it is also going to show you. Okay, so you have to put as many as you want, like 3 to 4. So when you are done, you also click save. Okay, when you are done, you click save. So guys, that's all you need to do. When you are done doing this, you will now click save. Don't forget to click save. Okay, when you are done, you click save. It will automatically save. So when you are done with this, just relax. Okay, YouTube will start recommending your videos. YouTube will start pushing out your videos. Okay, like this video has gotten 12,100 views with much watch hour and subscribers. This video has gotten 200 and something subscribers. So when YouTube recommend your videos are going to get a lot of views and subscribers. So that's why, and watch hour, that's why it's very good to set your videos, with keywords. You include the keywords, set it very well so that YouTube will recommend the video. Because if YouTube should recommend your video is going to trend. You will get a lot of things, you'll benefit a lot of things from it. So when you are done, you click save. That's all. So guys, if you haven't started doing this immediately after you upload your video, try doing it. It really helps. Okay, so guys, if you haven't seen my video where I talked about how to turn off one particular setting on YouTube Studio that will help YouTube to recommend your videos, feel free to go and check it. Okay, feel free. I will leave it in the first comment section. Yes, I will include it there so that you will easily go and check it, because it is working. A lot of people are testifying to it and it is working. So guys, if you have any question, you are free to leave it in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you like the video, share the video as well. See you on my next video. Leave your questions coming. Bye guys.